West shifts Ukraine weapons strategy. Repair and maintenance prioritized over new deliveries. According to Politico, the United States and its allies are changing their approach in assisting Ukraine amid the conflict with Russia. Rather than focusing on delivering more weapons, they are now prioritizing the repair and maintenance of Western-supplied hardware already sent to Kiev, which has suffered damage during the ongoing conflict. Since the fighting began in February 2022, Ukraine has encountered challenges in maintaining the diverse array of equipment provided by countries like the US, Germany, UK, and Poland, among others. With the recent counteroffensive launched in early June, the need for quick repairs has become more critical due to difficulties faced by Ukrainian forces, leading to notable losses of US-made Bradley fighting vehicles, mine-resistant troop carriers, and damaged German Leopard tanks. To address these issues, the Pentagon's Acquisition and Sustainment Chief, William LaPlante, disclosed plans to set up repair facilities in Europe. Additionally, they are translating training and repair manuals into Ukrainian to facilitate local technicians in fixing the equipment. A collaborative, 22-nation working group, led by the US, Poland, and the UK, is overseeing efforts to ensure the operational efficiency of Western-supplied weapons during the conflict. The group is actively engaging with Kiev, assessing their needs, and providing necessary spare parts and support. They are also monitoring the availability of each system in real time to ensure effective maintenance. The support effort has included assisting Ukraine in tracking over 4,000 supply lines for high-demand spare parts, and translating more than 700 technical manuals to aid local technicians. Despite Russia's objections, Western countries believe that providing repair and maintenance assistance will bolster Ukraine's capabilities in countering the conflict, emphasizing their commitment to sustaining the country's military efforts. By focusing on repair and maintenance, the US and its allies aim to ensure that the hardware supplied to Ukraine remains operational and continues to support the country's defense efforts.